Have you ever wanted to make money online? Get paid to refer friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by referring friends. This is a great way to earn money because you don't need any special training and it's easy to get started. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's start. You can make money by referring friends. You work for no money, and when your friends sign up through your link, you will get paid. You could be making money just by referring your friends to these sites. All you need to do is refer your friends and family members and then make sure they sign up using your referral link. With each person you refer, you'll get cash. Some of the sites might say you can earn $20 per referral, while others may say $100 per referral. Here are some of the best apps to make money referring your friends. 1. Cash App. In terms of personal finance applications, Cash App ranks among the best. With this platform, you may quickly and conveniently send and receive money, manage your finances, and invest. In order to get started with Cash App, just download the app and sign up for an account. Sharing your unique referral code with others allows them to earn a bonus when they sign up for Cash App, and use your code to unlock a bonus area. It doesn't matter how many individuals you recommend to Cash App, you'll still be paid. In the event that you recommend someone and they make a purchase, you will both get $15. 2. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known rewards platform that requires membership to access. You may use the site to earn points for free Starbucks, Target, or PayPal gift cards, among other rewards. Since 2008, Swagbucks has reliably paid out to its subscribers. The good news is that there is no upper limit to the amount of money you can make by referring friends to Swagbucks. Making money from a single referral might really happen several times. As long as your referral uses the Swagbucks shop, watch, play, answer, and discover features to earn, you will get 10% of their earnings. As long as your referral remains a Swagbucks member, you will get a referral bonus. 3. Honeygain. Honeygain is a data-driven platform that makes use of your online habits. It's a simple method to earn extra money without changing your daily routine. Give Honeygain permission to use your internet connection to gather data. You will be compensated for your time and effort. Users may earn an additional $55 per month, on average, which is paid out to them through PayPal. You may earn 10% of your referral's daily profits just by telling them to use Honeygain. As soon as your referral grants Honeygain access to their IP address, you will be able to receive payment. 4. Robinhood. When looking for a way to invest in stocks without spending a fortune, Robinhood is a fantastic alternative. With Robinhood, you may invest as little as $1 to own a piece of stock. As a result, Robinhood helps level the playing field by providing investment opportunities to more people. During the course of a year, Robinhood members may get up to $1,500 in gift stocks. To get such a benefit is a tremendous added value. You should disseminate this information as often as possible to maximize your revenue. Investing in stocks is a terrific move for securing your future financial stability. 5. Rakuten. Rakuten provides users with the opportunity to save money when shopping online. Buy anything you need, from apparel and accessories to furniture and decorative accents. Over 3,500 merchants have joined forces with Rakuten to offer you discounts. Your purchases via Rakuten earn the site a commission. Then, Rakuten gives you the chance to earn cash back from some of their commission. The average payout for referring a friend to Rakuten is $30. Send out your exclusive link to your social network. A $30 incentive is awarded to each of you whenever your referrals join using your link and make a purchase of $30 or more. The reader is free to repeat this procedure as many as they want. 6. Fundrise. Fundrise is a popular investment platform. A great way to participate in asset acquisition is via the purchase of the real estate at a discount. Participate in an investment opportunity with other investors, and you'll be able to share the cost while reaping the advantages with less out-of-pocket expenses. Invite your friends using the Fundrise invitation program. If the person you referred signs up for a new account and meets the requirements, you will get a bonus. Based on your contribution amount, Fundrise will issue you a predetermined number of shares. You'll get $25 for your first reference and up to $100 for each subsequent referral. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up and comment saying, I like it. Check the description box for amazing money-making hacks. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more.